blossoms. It looks cool, but it's meant to encourage the blooms.
Mom was coming out here to film blossoms, and there are no blossoms left because somebody
Isn't that amazing?
Them.
I told her I need to go out.
My daughter is the killer of flowers. Wish you could smell juice. Coming out here to make a video. Some marigold seedlings. It's my whole bean and butternut squash patch. I got a couple squash come up. Tomatoes and sweet peas. Lots of baby strawberries, but I haven't got a red one yet. I really need to redo that patch. My grapes continue to flower. I've got a nice stand of carrots mixed in here with some sweet peas. Hopefully they'll do something. This is my elephant ear bed. It's getting all weeded up again, and they're not really growing yet. But I got a shoot of oregano I harvested and dried. It's about to start flowering. There's a couple of jalapenos. Can you see them? All my peppers are doing good. They're all budding out. I really wish they weren't yet, but they are. Can't stop greatness, I guess. I made 3 butternut, no, they're not butternut squash. They are miscellaneous, like acorn squashes. 3 rows, or 3 pile, what do you call them? They're hills. It's not going good today, the video. You know, we got a cold front moving in. Big wind. We're going to have storms. Another good row of sweet peas. Another row of sweet peas. And then this bed right here is going to be more squash, but I've got to get it cleaned out again. It ran up on me. But that brassica looks... Why is it all falling over? I don't know if these are cabbage, broccoli, or cauliflower. One of them. One or the other. My lettuce and my radish patch. Been harvesting some radishes this week. And I put my tomatoes out, the rest of my tomatoes, but I think these are stunted. So what I'm going to do is finish cleaning out the bed. And I'm going to plant some seeds in here. I haven't planted tomatoes for seed outside in a long time, and I know it works because I've done it. So I ain't worried about those stunted tomatoes. I have more out front. Little Cherokee purples are out front. Okay, moving on. See how many blossoms my Climbing Rose has on it this year. This is Joseph's coat. I hope that's right. It's never had this many buds at once. It's never climbed this high before. I think we finally learned the knack of pruning it. It's been fertilized good, and I can't wait to see it. And it's a windy day. Storms are coming. Let me see if I can show you my apple. Come here. Oh. Oh. And this is my okra patch. Okra, and there's some L. In the L back there is some sunflowers. Now I get to slow down and watch my garden. You know, I like this part. A nice little setup. There's Penny Lane.